Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brook Designs. So, lots of things going on. Sorry I've been MIA a lot this year. A lot of life updates. So I've almost got all of the damage from the storm repaired. I still have the garage roof and some cleanup in the yard left. So we'll be continuing to work on that. I finally got the porch all done, and that's all done. But really exciting. In the last couple of weeks, I got a new full-time job. So I just started that last week. And so it's Monday night. I'm recording this video. So I literally just completed day 6 of my new job. So trying to get used to the new schedule. You know, things with the bunnies have been crazy. So, yeah, just thought I'd give you a quick update there. So today, and as you can see, I've got a box off screen. We're going to be opening the Curated Bead box called My Rose Garden, and I haven't opened it yet. So we're going to open this together. I got it in, figured we could do an unboxing together. And I'm just going to use a X-Acto knife here to cut that open. And we're going to take a look at this. So yeah, so a lot of crazy things going on. And I'm, trying to get used to the new job. It's totally different. I mean, it's the same line of work, but totally different hours, totally different ways of doing things. So, just trying to get used to it. So anyways, with that being said, I apologize for, not being here, and I haven't had a lot of time to bead or do anything because of fixing all the storm damage. So yeah, I've kind of missed the beading, and now I'm to a point where I'm like, oh, I have so many projects I had started, and now I don't even remember where I was on some of them. All right, so anyways, with that being said, let's start going through my rose garden. So number 1 is red gray marble style glass beads. And so we have these, and these are pretty. I mean, these, they're red, they're 12 millimeter, they're red, they're pink, they've got some gray in them. Very pretty. I like that. Those are really nice. Next we have 10 millimeter pale yellow crackle frosted glass beads in 10 millimeter. So we've got these, and we get these in a lot of kits. I like these. I like the frosted. It's just fun. It's soft, although this reminds me of lemonade. It doesn't remind me of roses. It reminds me of lemonade. Next we have 10 millimeter red gray duo style. And so that's these, and these are a little grayer than these, but I like those together. I think those make a good, they make a really good combination. These being darker, more wine colored, and these being more red. Next we have 8 millimeter red and yellow duo. And I believe that would be these. So this reminds me of pink lemonade, strawberry lemonade. So this, I'm sorry, is not rose colored. That's strawberry lemonade for me. And I like these together. I think I like those together. I might have to do something with that. Next, we have 8 millimeter, I can't talk today. 8 millimeter fuchsia swirl marble style glass beads. Oh, look at the pretty, 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 pretty color. So that is bright pink. I can see that going with the yellow. Maybe with those. I think these two go well together. I don't know. Well, I don't know about that. I mean, that goes with the yellow. Next, we have 8 millimeter peach swirl. And I like these. So these remind me of a coral reef. So they're peach and blue and a little bit of darker color, almost brown. But those are very pretty. I can see those going with, well, the yellows. But so, I mean, I can see these being different color roses. Next, we have approximately 1 ounce Rose Designer Mix and Rose Designer Glass Bead Mix. So that's these, I believe. Yeah, that's got to be these Rose Mix. So this is the mix. And it's got some oranges and some yellows. And I'm not going to take them out. It's got those peanut beads that I really dislike. But it's got a few cool drops here. So like these orange ones are drop beads. So you get that as well. It's got 1 ounce Red Rose Designer Glass Bead Mix. And so I'm assuming that that's what this is because this is all red. And so it's got some drops, you know, some more top drilled, some flat disc beads. I mean, there's a bunch of different mixes. It's a matte color. So those go well with the red. And then we have, I'm just looking at my list here, 16 millimeter red or orange dyed coconut beads. So I got the orange instead of the red. I don't know if I'm going to use these with this. I mean, I can see using this with, you know, maybe some of the darker colors, maybe some of the yellows, but we get some coconut beads. So those are fun. Next we get 10 millimeter rose metal spacer beads. And so I'm going to take one of these out and show you real close what these are, if I can get the package open. So these are they've got like a little rose pattern on them. Double-sided. Those are really cute. Okay, next we have 8 millimeter bee spacer beads. Oh, these are just adorable. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, look at the little bees. Oh, look at the little bees. I mean, they don't totally look like bees, but they're cute. Those are adorable. Little bee spacer beads. I don't know if you can see that. Those are absolutely adorable. I can see those being something that I would use. We might actually do some embroidery with that and me do a rose bead embroidery and use some of these in them. That would be fun. And then next we have 6 millimeter rose spacer beads, and you get 14 of these, and these are pretty. I've gotten these before in other kits or in other boxes, and they're really, really pretty. They're fun. They're little roses. So I can see those with the bees. And then we also get 20 by 12 rose silver metal links. And so you get these, and I'm just gonna get the camera up close. So you get 4 of these, and those are pretty. They're little floral spacers or links. Oh, sorry about that. So yeah, so you get 4 links. And then, of course, as usual, we get our starter findings kit, which in this one we have ear wires, jump rings, head pins, crimp beads, lobster claws, memory wire, which I never use, bead-along wire, and then memory wire for bracelets, or yeah, for bracelets. So you get all of that in your findings. So it's great if you're just starting out beading and you don't have a lot of findings. This is great to have with you. So that is the My Rose Garden. I I like this. I don't know about these so much, but I really love these bees. Those are just so cute. Although they don't look, I mean, they kind of look like bees, but they don't look like bees. But yeah, they're not perfect, but they're fun. They're cute. So I think, you know, I can do something. I can definitely do something with those. So anyways, my rose garden. So I am planning on doing, once everything comes in, I've got most everything for what I want to do. So I'm going to be doing a new project with you guys. Not necessarily something from the bead boxes, but just something that I think you'll enjoy. And it's something new. It's not necessarily jewelry making, but I found on Amazon these curtain pullbacks, and they're beaded. And so I bought one as a sample, and I'll show you this in the next video. I bought one as a sample just to see what it looked like, and it turned out it was really, really cool. So I bought some like champagne colored beads and some purple beads for a purple room that I have that's got like purple walls and purple curtains, and or I should say lilac. And I'm going to be making these curtain tiebacks with you, and we're going to do it together. I just need to get all the supplies in, and hopefully they'll be in tomorrow, and then we can put everything together. I can do another video, so this one will come out. I'm just going to post this on Tuesday. I know I normally post on Monday, and then maybe if everything comes in, I can record on Wednesday and post Thursday night for Friday morning, just depending on my work schedule. So my new work schedule, I'm starting at 7 a.m. now instead of my usual 8. So I'm getting up an hour earlier. It's, you know, it's an adjustment. It's only because I'm now in charge of a bunch of offshore resources at my new job. So I have to get up a little bit earlier to take meetings and things, but it's a good switch. It was, you know, a long time in coming. My previous job, very stressful. They were laying people off left and right, and so this new job, they're hiring a ton of people, so that's good. Anyway, so that's life updates. Bunnies are doing great. Charlie and Velvet, head over heels in love. Bella, you know, is doing well. The trio that I have that are my fosters, they're doing well. Like, so everybody's happy, healthy. You know, Charlie had a little bout of something last week that took him to the vet, but he's doing wonderful now. So yeah, and thank you to my subscribers that purchased my book. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments. And for anybody that is interested, I published a book. I'll put a link in the description. I published a book on Amazon about one of my bunnies, one of my rescue rabbits. So it's a short story. It's, you know, not super long, 100 and something pages. It's a very emotional read. So if you know, it's fantasy / you know, real life. But if you're, you know, you like a good drama, if you will, it's a good read. Anyway, let me know what you think about this in the comments, and I apologize for not being here as often as I should be. I'm going to do my best to start making videos, maybe spending, you know, a Saturday or Sunday morning with you guys and just knocking out a couple videos, and that way you have more content. I'm sorry. Life has just gotten crazy. So anyways, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.